Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Benidorm Crazy Marcus here today. Up the top of town on what we normally call the pedestrian strip. Just a last sort of strip right through centre of town, tons of different shops. All for mobile shop there. And of course a pet shop. I think the Spanish are actually quite big on their animals. Like, there's not many Spanish households that don't actually have a pet. Even if it's like just a little chihuahua or a little bird that sits on a cage on your balcony. Another pet shop as well. Not going to say the temperature today cause got accused of lying the other day, so
Can't say it anyway, Marcus.
no, I think I'll just say it's sunny. Or would that be a lie? I mean, if you look at the sky, no grey clouds, so must be sunny.
Close it down the new building.
Oh, I forgot all about that. Looks like they've got some floors in on that new build there. Granny's bakery there. I have no idea where I'm gonna go. Got the kebab shop as well. Hope you're all having a good day so far today. I'm a little bit irritated today. My computer's playing up, and of course I thought, put my shirt in freezer overnight last night. Like, when I put it on, it'll be nice and cold. But I forgot the freezer I put it in is the freezer Dad has the fish in. So, of course, yes, it was nice and cold, but it stunk of fish. Fruit and veg shop there, if it'll focus. Not sure why I was meant to show you that. A nuts store as well. Not really too sure what to talk about today, actually. Down there you have one of the offices for the pennies as well as the fireworks shop. And of course, here you've got Hotel Las Vegas. I've never actually heard of anyone stopping there, guys. So, yeah, I think, as Mike said, it's more of a Spanish hotel. So, we do have a bit of good news though, guys, after about like 3 weeks of waiting for our concierge to get us another gas bottle. Apparently it's finally arrived. Quite amazing that, I know. Now they fainted when they told me it had arrived this morning. Thought he'd have probably just shoved it somewhere in his cupboard and spent the money on getting himself some booze. But apparently I was wrong. Think I'll take it round here now. Just sort of trying to mix videos up, just make them more interesting. Being as I am losing views on videos nowadays. I think me and Mike has, of course, come to the conclusion that now more and more of you are coming back over. Like, not so many of you are watching the videos, which is a bit irritating, but still it is good to see people back. Nice little meat restaurant there. Leather shop as well. Hint, hint. Not sure whether you'll get me shirt there. Hint, hint.
I think so,
Right. Yeah, carrying on now. Nice leather shop that there as well, though. Do cowboy boots. If you want a pair of cowboy boots, that is. Also do like handbags, proper leather, belts, wallets and purses. Quick warning as well, guys. Be careful, mosquito season is up on us. So maybe like bring some mosquito spray with you. One of the things Matt might use this to keep mosses away, and guys, he actually swears on this. He swears by it. He uses fly spray. I know it sounds weird, but that is one thing he does use.
Works good.
Works as well, apparently. Another tip is be careful when you go swimming in the sea, because if you've been bit, fish will tend to go for the bites. Hasn't happened to me before, but I know it happens to Mad Mike quite a lot. So he used to have to go into the sea wearing like plastic bottles over his legs to protect the bites, because if he didn't, he used to just get ripped apart, which is quite weird. But anyway, I think I'll end the video just down by LJ Park. Got the fish restaurant there, still preparing to open. I think most places are probably, of course, still preparing to open for today. Just coming out down to Benidorm now and LJ Park, which will of course be where I end today's video. So guys, hit that like, hit the subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Adios.